This is a quick tutorial on how to install your SparkPod filtered shower head. This here is the J-pipe. You want to apply Teflon tape to the J-pipe. 3 to 4 rounds is more than enough. Next, you install the filter. Inside the filter should have the screened washer, that over there. Make sure you screw it in tight. The next step is to apply Teflon tape to the filter right here. In order to save time, I already applied the Teflon tape. And the last step is installing the shower head. You should also have a screened washer in the shower head as well. And that's it.